Okay, so we dropped these strawberries last night on the ground, and I didn't eat them because they fell on the ground. So what we're gonna do is, instead of throwing them away in the trash can, we're gonna put them in this dirt or the soil. Just put them between two pots and see if they can grow. Just gonna set them in there, space them out a little bit. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna put one on the top layer. One more in the middle. I'm just kind of just doing anything right now. See if it works or not. Okay, then we're gonna take one more, put it in this one here. And we're gonna do the same thing. Just kind of put them in there any kind of way. As you can see, I wasted a lot of strawberries, huh? But hopefully we can get more out of it. I'm gonna put one on the top layer again. And it's in a cool area, which is kind of what they like, strawberries, to be in a cool area. So we'll see how they do. All right. So yeah, we'll let those sit for about 2 weeks to a month. And then I'll post another video and let y'all know what happens, see if we get any growth or not. But I'm gonna separate these pots so I know that there's something in there. Alright, so yeah, like I say, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've done this before. Give me a thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button. It helps this channel reach other people. And yeah, GreenAcre Farm will get back to you in about 2 to 3 weeks, no, 3 to 4 weeks. Let you know how it goes. I'm gonna throw some water on these bad boys and see if anything happens.